Tropical fruit shopping. Mango. Mangoes come in many colors: yellow, green, and red.
Lychee.
Lychee was once a luxury fruit enjoyed by Chinese royalty. Pineapple. Pineapples don't grow on trees. They actually grow on the ground. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are full of juicy red seeds. Guava. Guava is often called the apple of the tropics.
Passion fruit.
The name passion fruit comes from its flower, the passion flower. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is called fire dragon fruit in Chinese because of its vibrant colors. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme that helps digestion. Coconut. A coconut is a fruit, not a nut. Banana. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Which tropical fruit is your favorite?